National Public Safety Telecommunications Week was established by the U.S. Congress 21 years ago. The 911 call takers in Fairfax County and everywhere in the nation are the gateway through which every emergency is reported in the United States 280,000 times a day, 81 million times a year. Before a blue light or a red light blinks, before a siren wails, before an air horn blows, the 911 call taker is dealing with that citizen and their emergency, providing vital, often life-saving information to the caller so that they can in fact assist the caller while at the same time dispatching units of the fire rescue department, the police department, or the sheriff's department. Often people will ask me, what are the skills, what are the abilities that are necessary to be a successful 911 call taker and dispatcher? First and foremost, they must be caring. They must care about their caller much like a doctor would care about their patient. They must be decision makers. They must take charge of the call. They must solicit information. Quite frankly, many times they must question information. But all of the questions that they ask have an absolute intended purpose so as to provide as much information as possible to those units that they are ultimately going to dispatch. You may only call 911 one time in your life, but it could very well be the most important call that you ever make.